Curry leaves possess a wonderful, unique flavor which adds a great taste to many Indian dishes. These are good for oral consumption as well as external application on skin and hair. Home remedy for overall health. Heat water in a pot, add fresh washed curry leaves. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, let the water cool down. Strain and drink the water along with some honey if you like. This curry leaf improves metabolism, digestion, and promotes weight loss with regular consumption. Curry leaves are a wonderful source of iron. Regular consumption helps anemic people with low blood levels. Curry leaves have detoxification properties. They cleanse the body by eliminating the toxins. They are rich in vitamin C, many flavonoids, and a lot of antioxidants. They are also known for their exceptional hair and skin repairing qualities. Curry leaves alleviate indigestion and they stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping reduce constipation. They are known to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance in people with diabetes. Here is a pro tip. Wash the curry leaves, pat them fully dry, and store them in the refrigerator in a plastic cover for a longer shelf life.